number 7. Pass to number 28. 28 ang lawan ng bola. Number 26. Number 6, diretso. Sorry, Robin Tigabol. Nari ko ng number 28. 28, nag-dribble. Pass to number 18, nag-dribble. 7, Tigabol. Tigabol. No! Number 8. Number 8, and 16 around, number 8, together number, it's so good, number 16, now number 20, together, it's so good, now number 15, pass to number 8, pass to number 18, 18 together, it's so good, Jesus ball.
Plastic ang puspa.
Bukul Taksiran Keti number 18 Jaka Nirwahi Into 4 Ray to the top Pass number 20 number 20 Number 16 Foul number 1-6 First personal foul First, team foul. Number 28. Number 28. Number 18, number 16. Number 16, because pinasa naman.
Nasa sa referee.
Unbeaten goal. Number 8. Pass to number 26, take good. 3 points by number 26. Number 28, binababa ang bola. Number 28, ganang magpapasaan. Number 28, pumila sa labas. Cover, number 20, solo. Foul, number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Alright, pass number 20, number 20. Yes, number 8. Number 8. Number 8, number 8, so good. Number 26, number 26. Same ball. Number 10. Number 8, pass to number 13, number 13, good to the ball, pass to number 8, 23, 1, 2, 4. Number 4, time 4, in favor of undefeated, number 23, 4. Number 20, pass to number 20, pass to number 8, symbol. 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Number 26, symbol. Di mana number 20? Number 20, wala. Di mana number 26? Nakalang now. Number 7. Second personal foul, second team foul. 5 minutes and 16 seconds. Number 20, pass to number 13. Now number 20 is 2-4. Ang score, 11-7. Ito ay gawang anti-kicker. Number 28. 3-4. Substitution, palit ang lahat. Ang score, 11-10. Lamang pa rin ang anti-kicker ng isa. Lock roll. Number 2, ginagawa ang bola. Number 2, pass to number 29. Number 29. Number 2, pass to number Eman, wala. Out of undefeated ball. Number 19, kay tayo. Pass to number 40, pinasalba. Kenneth Tumalaksa, Isu. Ang score, 13-7, darang ang undefeated. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Number 16, Tumina ng player. No good. Out of undefeated ball. Pinasa sa init. Pass to number 86. Pass to number 29, number 29. No good. Rebound by number 8. Number 8, pass to number 28. Number 28 sa number 3. Pinasa sa dalawa. Number 5. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 30, pinasa sa number 2. Number 12, number 20, bola pinasa sa dalawa. Number 28, no good. Rebound number 40, number 40, pinasa. 52-4. 40. Ang score, 15-10. In favor of undefeated. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 28, 3-4. Number 10, Tumalaksa. Pinasalak ang sabak. Number 18, tumikot. No good. Rebound number 5, pass to number 16. Number 16, teka lang daw. Pass to number 18. Number 18, no good. Number 29, pass to number 10. Number 10, ginagawa ang bola. Nakahuli din number 5. Number 5, pinasa sa kabila. Number 0-1, easy lay up. Tabla na ang score. All 15. Number 10. Number 10, Tumalaksa. Pinas, kabila. Pinas, sa gitna. Number 29, number 10, number 10, number 1. Number 2-1, 2-1, pass to number 28. Number 28, pass sa ilalim. Bago, rebound pa rin. Ang unang foul. Number 10. First personal foul. Second team foul. Two minutes and 26 seconds. Rebound na number 21. Number 7. Number 7. Pinas sa gitna, number 14, Kumsa. Lagos, kanya pa rin. Number 14, Pinas, nakablock. Out of si Boss Boy.
Ariel 70.
Number 28. Number 28, ganap na papasahan. Pass number 8, pass number 28, pass number 018. Number 018, Lagos, rebound number 8. Number 2, nakakuha na foul. Number 40. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Metro pa.
It's good.
Akala ko ba ipapacheck mo muna sa
So,
mesa niya?
19-17. Lamang na ang asul ng dalawa.
Pwede kung anong bangko na.
Number 29, pass number 40, number 14. Solo. 1 minute and 35 seconds.
No.
Ang Luka, pass.
Sige.
Perez, satu lang ulit sa pass to Arnay. Arnay, balik na shot. 2 points. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 10, number 10, number 9, Pinas sa labas. Pass number 28, number 28, take it. Number 28, tulak sa tumangga. Lago, rebound number 28. Up. Foul. Number 28. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Pinas sa ilalim, number 55 seconds to play. Ang score, 23-19 na lang pare ng mga asul. Number 10, tulad sa Pinas sa labas, Pinas sa gilid. Number 28, Tuloy ang sirwari, pass to number 15, number 3. It's good. 35 seconds to play. Ang score, 25-19, lamang ang asul. Number 29, pass to number 14, number 14, tuloy na ng players. 3-4.
Hello.
20 seconds. Wala na ang shot clock. Pass to number 018. Airborne. Nakuha na number 16. Number 16. 10 seconds to play. Number 28. Number 018. 5 seconds to play. Pasang ka lang mga maririnig. Ang score 25-22 in favor of the Boss.